Hey, today I'd like to show you how to do Reels using Canva. Now, Reels or Stories, you can find them on Instagram, you can find them on Facebook, but basically we're talking about a short vertical video that you can use to advertise or to tell a story, whatever it is you're trying to do. But Canva makes this really simple, so let's have a look how easy it is. First of all, we go into Canva, we come up to where it says videos and we click on videos. And now it gives us a range of choices that are nice and easy. We got some horizontal, some vertical, square, vertical, etc. Now, obviously there's some subtle differences between the different ones, and it's up to you to probably have a dig around and have a look at the different templates. But the key thing here is using the templates. So because it's a reel, reels tend to have a little bit more interactivity on them, more so than maybe necessarily mobile video. But today we're just going to use an Instagram reel one. And you'll see straight away we've got a blank one, and we can scroll down through the side here till we find something that's suitable. So here's one that says start training. That looks good. I'll just click on that. Now you can see there's a whole range of them. I'm just going to use the first one at the moment because I'm just going to do a short reel. Obviously it says use both pages. In the case of Canva, pages is a term they use universally, whether they're talking about video or pages of design. So a page is a video or a section of video, and a page is a page in, say, a poster or something. So in this case here, we've got a few different elements. If we run our mouse over them, we can see them highlighting up. The main one we want to change is probably the video. So we need to choose a video that we want to add in here. And of course we can change the colors, and we'll come to that in a minute. One of the things we can use is the videos that are on here already. If you're a Canva Pro user, you get access to a lot of videos. And if you click on there and you type gym and you enter that, brings up a range of videos, and then all we need to do is just look at them. Oh, that one looks good. Drag it across and let it go. Now if I double click on that, you'll notice I'm now in the kind of the cropping sort of section. And as you saw, it's really kind of like off to the side. If I want it to be kind of more central, I can just click and drag it across and then click done. Now if I come down here and press play, we should see this play. And there we go. There's our little video in the back with start training today. Now that's really simple, isn't it, to make a reel? And obviously, based on the theme you want to do, you can change the words as well. So let's just stop this and change the theme. And come in here and we've got get fit. Now, there we go. Nice and simple, hey? It's that simple. Click, type. Now, I don't particularly like the colors here. So I'm going to come and I'm going to choose a brighter green. And down the bottom here, I'm going to choose change all because I want them all to change over. So it does this one as well for me. And of course the writing, I want that to match. So I'm going to choose my brighter green. This one, again, click on here and choose the brighter green. And now the brand colors match more accurately. So if I click play now, we've got get fit now. And got our video in the back. Now, one of the great things about Canva is obviously if you don't like the video you've got here, if I click on that and I come back, I can just drag this one into place like that. Double click, bring our subject across, click done, and away we go. Change a picture. Very simple to do. So what we need to do now is extract it. At the moment, you can see it's 13.6 seconds long. We can go share, download, MP4, suggested quality 1080. You can bring it up to 4K if you'd like to, but 1080 is going to look fine on a phone. But there's a couple of things that I'd like to do before I go this far. Obviously, if it's a reel, we need a bit of sound on there. So if I come down into audio and I come in here, I can just click these and I can hear them playing like that, and I can drag it down underneath, and hey presto, now I've got sound. So let's press play again. Now, we can hear that the video, hopefully you can hear, is going, but is it really the exciting part? If I double click on that, notice now we can see the rest of the video here. I can drag that over like that to get to the exciting part. Okay, so if I come back to the start and click go, now straight into the good stuff. So just because it has a slow part at the start of the song doesn't mean you've actually got to play it in your video. And then of course now we can export that video and we can save it, we can upload it, we can do whatever we like. So that's how simple it is to create a reel, taking advantage of the templates. And I highly recommend you take advantage of the templates because that's what makes you look like $1 million designer, even if you're like me and you have no design skills. I'll catch you in the next video.